Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have another quick push puppet game. Apparently it has 50 levels, whatever that's supposed to mean. And yeah, I would say we crack this box open and check it out. While we unbox it, I can already say a little bit about it. I have to vent some batteries and stuff. So this is a bare model, but there's other models as well, so you don't like this one. But yeah, it's pretty decent made, and it is a pretty easy game too. It makes a lot of fun. It is kind of addicting too. You just push this in the back forward to release the bubbles in front, and then it lights up, and you have to push the bubble that is lighting up, basically. That's what you do, and you have to be fast, you have to be precise. So this is what it looks like when it's turned on. Now let's mute it, and then there's different levels you can choose from, like memory mode, quick mode, and all that, scoring mode. And then you just start, and then you see it lights up. You just try to be fast and quick about it, and then you can have quite a blast on this. Now we finished the first level, so it continues and be like, yay, you're in the next level, yay, exciting, yada yada, and basically that's what you're gonna do. You're just gonna be fast, you're gonna be precise, and you're gonna have a good time. And I wouldn't necessarily say it's just for kids. I think everyone can have quite a good time with this. I'm pretty hyped and stoked when I play it, and it keeps me busy once in a while, even though it can be a little stressful here and there. But all in all, definitely a fun little game. And then when you're done, turn it off. Looks okay-ish that way, and that's all I can say about this product. Definitely on the better side, one of the puppets we had so far. And yeah, my name is Badger, and I will see you in the next video.